Okay, so this is my first live stream about some of the stuff that I've been working on. So I'm excited to share a little bit with you guys and kind of see if we can't make some cool little bits of magic happen. So first things first, my name is Devante. I do solo indie game dev. Today I'm just going to be practicing making an ammo box because it's one of the things on my list. So we're going to go ahead and jump right in. First thing I need to do is, I already have my player character, so now I'm going to make a ammo box actor. So we'll go ahead and pop this guy open. Gonna edit this guy, do some animations, set some ammo values, make sure it's working okay. Can always tweak it later, so we'll see what we can do for starters. So go ahead and clean this up. Got my collision box already set up here. I'll make that a little bit wider, just enough so I can get close to it. That's about right. Should be fine. I can always tweak it in a minute. So overlap all dynamic, make sure the collisions are checked. Come in here. When I overlap something, I want to make sure that it's my player character. So I'm going to go ahead and cast to my player. So we got overlap, cast to player, and actually if this works, I'm going to want it to play an animation. So I'm going to get my crate, play an animation. The animation I'd like it to play is going to be in my file folders here. This guy, animations, crate 2. Closed, closing, open, opening. Okay, so we're going to do opening animation. And we're not going to loop it. Then I'm going to create a function called add ammo to player. This is going to do set all the values for the player. So let's go ahead and do this. Clean this up a little bit. What I'd like you to do is promote this to a variable. So this is going to be my player variable. Go over here. So player connects with the box. We make sure we got the player. Assign to the variable. Play the open animation. And let's see here. Let's go back to the ammo. Let's get the player variable. I need to set max ammo. I need to set all of these. So this is going to be fun. And I'm going to promote this to a variable, max ammo amount. Go ahead and compile. We're just going to set this to 999. We know it's working when the player suddenly has 999 bullets. Okay, set max ammo 2. I have to do all these. Max ammo 3. This is because every gun that the player has a max ammo value stored in it. I keep kidding. I want to set max ammo 3, please. Thank you. Okay. Let's do this in sequence. Max ammo 1, max ammo 2, max ammo 3. I'm going to drag this down so it's a little prettier. Okay, so we're halfway. I have 10 weapons, 10 ammos. Set max ammo 4. Go ahead and drag these values in. Player, set max ammo 5. Set max ammo 6. Set max ammo 7, which 5 actually doesn't use ammo. It's a little bad, but 5 is actually my sword weapon. So there's no need to set max ammo for that. It'll never be displayed or utilized, but in case I change it later, I won't have to re-update the ammo box. So we're almost there. Max ammo 7, set max ammo 8, 9 and 10 are left. Set max ammo 9, and set max ammo 10. Hooray! Okay, so let's go ahead and plug all these up. 7, 8, 9, and the reason I'm doing all of them is I already have clip ammo, which is individual weapons, but this, I want it to be an ammo box that gives you max ammo for everything, just to help test things out. Maybe I'll change it later. Maybe there's a better way to do it, but that's what we're going to do for now. Okay, so here's the function. Give the player max ammo, all his ammos. And once we do that, let's go ahead and run this function. We need to call it add ammo to player, playing animation, which I also would like to see how long this is. So we're going to open up this animation. And it looks like there's a pin already. I'm going to go to the end. 0.73 seconds. So I'm going to add a delay here. 0.73 seconds. So now we know that it's opened. And then I'm going to add another delay. I want it to stay open for about 4 seconds. And then I'd like it to close, which will be this animation here, but different. So we're going to close animation. Oops, done with you. And pop that in there. Also not looping. I'm going to save everything. Okay, I want this to only do it once, so we're going to add a branch check in here. Branch check. Condition. I'm going to promote that to variable. Open box. And I'm going to set it to false by default. So when you come in here, make sure that it's false. And if it is false, go ahead and set it to true. So now this won't run repeatedly, it'll only run once. Then once you've been closed, let's go ahead and take that off. Set it to close again. Okay. The other thing I'd like to do is when I add the ammo, let me go ahead and play some sort of notification so I know that it's working. Play sound. I wonder if there's any sounds that came with this. Oh, not likely. Ue4 Create effects. Yeah. Okay. So we're going to go through here. Let's see what I can find. I want to play this at the actor location. Get actor location. And there might be like a click, reload click. Let's go ahead and test the sound out for that. It's not really what I'm looking for, but let's plop it in for now. So play sound when it opens. Save. I want to put stuff inside of it so it looks like it has ammo, but let's go ahead and test it real quick. Boot the game up. Okay. A little bit of lag here. I'll have to work on that. It's getting better. There we go. Got a sword. Let's go ahead and walk by the ammo box. Perfect. Set my ammo to max. And it closed. I go by it again. Good. That sound is really annoying, but it is working. Test it, reload. Took some bullets off. Cool. So one thing I want to do is I want to move this function over. Ammo box. We're going to wait till it's open to do this. That way the sound looks a little bit better. Might be too late, but let's go ahead and do that. And then let me see if I can find a better sound. Drag it down a little bit. Rifle. Q. Yeah, that might be a better option. Let's try this one. Okay. Better at the lag. Okay. Yeah, that's what I thought. Delays off just a little bit and it bugs me. So let's go ahead and fix this. I could play the sound separately, but I'm going to go ahead and copy this delay. I'm going to do 0.2, then run the function. I find that 0.2 is like just enough to humanly notice something. Because this is also with the animation, I'm going to take this value, subtract it by 0.2. I don't need any more delay because the animation's already playing. And now the sound should play just after it opens. Bingo. Should close again, open again. Perfect. Excellent. Ammo box is working. I'm going to go ahead and make some modifications. Make it a little bit cooler. Save all. Viewport. Box man. Okay, I want your z-axis to be 3 times as tall. Good. We're going to go ahead and make your y 2. It's a little bit bigger. I'll go ahead and go into it. There we go. That's an ammo crate. Open. Yes. Although that delays still. Let me test it one more time. Go. That's fine. Okay, I want to put some ammo buddies in here. That's what we're going to do. Viewport. And test this guy. Use animation asset. Open. Boop. I can see inside. And I want to add some static meshes to this guy. Okay. Box. Underscore. 1. Yeah, let's go ahead and make it 0. And let's find some ammo. Ooh. A couple of different options, but this is what I had in mind. This guy here. Perfect. Okay. Then I'm going to duplicate this. Control W. Move this over here. Get both of these. Control W. And maybe 2 more. So duplicate all of these. So it's just enough to make it look like it's full of stuff. Maybe I'll even change what these look like later. Have some variety. I say later as I do it right now. Compile, save. So let's get all these boxes. When I play the animation, we're going to do this way. We're going to add another delay, 0.2. Take 0.2 off of this. And we're going to do a new function called hide ammo. So let's go back here so we make sure we call this function hide ammo. we do something I like to do here. Let's add a branch check immediately. Bam. What I'm going to do is drag this pin over, connect it, and here I want to say show/hide, so I can manually decide when I call the function I want to show it or hide it. So here I'd like to hide it. Come in here, it's going to be false for hiding. Let's get a reference to all these guys. Boom. And set hidden in game. So they're still going to be there, you just can't see them. And the new hidden is this. I could do it hierarchy wise, propagate to children, but I don't know exactly if I want it to be pick up stuff or only take out the ammo of your current weapon. So for the sake of future editing, I'm going to go ahead and take this, copy it, just leave it basic. Okay, and if I want to show it, come in here, new hidden, compile, save, come back to my graph. Once this is done, let's go ahead and show them again. Cool. Let's go ahead and test it. Make sure it's all working. Ammo. Oops. I forgot that I put the animation asset here, so I'm going to take that off. See if that keeps it close. There we go. Come up here, see the ammo, and that was super quick, so we need a longer delay. Go ahead and sequence this out. Drag over here. Go ahead and continue on your merry way. Plus 0.2. You don't even worry about what I'm doing. I'm going to come down here. I'm going to do my own timeline for the ammo, which I think 0.5. Let's go ahead and make it a full second. Open it. Second later, they're gone. Enough time to look. They're gone. And it closes. Open it. They're gone. Alright. Just a little bit of yeah, somebody shooting at me. Gotta go show the suckers who's boss. What's up, boys? Oh shit, I forgot I added all these. Yeah. Now that I have max ammo. Oh shit. Oh shit. They got my ass. Oh, good times in After Sky. Still working on it. Got a little bit of a development thing going on here. Okay, let me test one other weapon just to make sure it does all of them. Just to be prudent. My wall of guns. Every house should have one. Let's go ahead and grab my favorite. Okay, check the ammo. 999. 999. Hells yeah. That's what I'm talking about. The rocket launcher. It also sets it to 999. Which isn't really necessary, but okay. I guess I could set each individual value. Uh-oh. The box has failed to open again. That's interesting. Let's go in here. Delay 4.5. Open box. Nothing is an ammo player. Could be that I don't have a return value here. Doubt that that is a problem, but let's go ahead and make sure our code is proper. Return value. Wow, it closed, so I mean it's coming over here. And let's go ahead and add a return mode. Okay. Let's try Oh, I know what happened. I know what it was. Okay. Add ammo to player. Nope, that's not it. It's over here. Cast a player. Failed after it opened the box. So I don't want to do that. Because if it didn't get the player and it got a bullet or something, it's going to open and be stuck anyways. So now we don't open it until we have the player. Shooting doesn't do anything. Open. Close. Close. Fantastic. Alright, that's it for the ammo box. I player full ammo every time I need it. So yeah, thank you very much. That's all I got for now. A couple of these because they're cute.